All right, here is the trumpet and clarinet problem from the assessment. So I have my two equations. Trumpets plus clarinets is equal to 12 instruments sold, $186 per trumpet, plus $114 per clarinet gives us a total sales of $2,016. So I want to use the elimination method here to get rid of one of my variables. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Is really completely up to you. I just picked the 186 when I did it just because it was the first number, but it really doesn't matter. You could eliminate the clarinets first, your choice. So I'm going to take this whole equation and multiply it by a negative 186 here, okay? And the reason I pick a negative is so that I can add negative 186 plus 186 to make 0 trumpets. Okay, and eliminate it. If I multiply by a positive, then I'd have to worry about subtraction, and that kind of makes things a little bit weird and ugly. So I'm going to multiply all of this by negative 186 minus 186c is equal to, let's see here, negative 186 times 12 gives me negative 2232. And we will have to deal with these negative numbers, but it's not too big of a deal. Okay, so now I can add straight down to eliminate. So these will cancel out because that equals 0. 114 plus a negative 186 gives me negative 72c. 2016 plus a negative 2232 will give me a negative 216. Okay? So we multiplied everything by something that we could use to eliminate, creating those equivalent equations, added straight down, and now we're at this point where we can determine how many clarinets were sold. So we're going to divide this by negative 72 to get the number of clarinets as 3. Okay, so we sold 3 clarinets, and that should fit. If I plug that in for this C here or this C here, then we can find the number of trumpets. I'm going to pick this top equation because we know it equals 12, and it's a nice easy one to do. So T plus 3 will give me 12 minus 3. We know that T is going to equal 9 trumpets sold. Okay, so if I take this 9 and this 3 and plug it back into this equation, so 186 times 9 plus 114 times 3, that should give you that $2,016 as well.